Always available to maintain your uptime, please contact us here at Crushing Tigers Parts and Services to solve all your maintenance needs. Dara Bonfill today brings us the coverage of a wide range of Sandvik machines working in tandem with each other. On the job in order is a QJ341 track jaw crusher feeding a QE342 Scalper, which feeds a QH332 mobile hydrocone crusher, feeding a QA451 triple deck screen, which finally feeds a QA441 tracked double screen. Crushing Tigers provide both stationary and mobile crushers and screens with constant backup on parts and services to maintain uptime and, most importantly, keep you in production. This equipment is ideal for use in quarrying, construction, mining, aggregate production and rock excavation. Feel free to reach out to Dara on 512-820-6219. Email Dara at crushingtigers.com.